So here's presenting Sontalya Ecorise by Srinivasa Constructions. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Iklas and today we will be doing the project overview of Sontalya Ecorise by Srinivasa Constructions, which is located on the PVNR Expressway Road, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, this is the exact location of the project, and this is going to be your marketing office, and your land parcel is also exactly over there. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will also be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Now let's get to know about the project overview. You see, this project is constructed on 5.24 acres of land parcel featuring 4 towers with ground plus 29 floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project, which is located on the PVNR Expressway Road, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. So this is going to be your entire connectivity. From here, you easily get connected to your outer ring road. You also get connected to your Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Coming over to the connectivity part, you see 10 minutes from here and you will be at the GMR Aero City, 15 minutes to the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport and 30 minutes to the city's leading retail area. Now let's have a look at the amenities part. The project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse that is going to be 52,000 square feet and it is of 7 floors. And on the top of the clubhouse, you will have your swimming pool area. And then there's also going to be indoor and outdoor sports courts over here. There's going to be kids play area and a lot more. Now, coming over to the super built up area, for 3 BHK, it is going to be 2250 to 2790 square feet and 4 BHK is going to be 4675 to 4695 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of Sontalya Ecorise by Srinivasa Constructions, which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey. And if you wish to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you can either click on the link which is mentioned in the description below and you can easily download the e-brochure and the price sheets.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.